Hey guys! Today we are sculpting a super cool fantasy creatures out of airdryclay. Follow along and make your own. I'm just shaping a big round base to start the head. Next, I'm opening up the mouth and adding two small sharp teeth, plus two huge front teeth to make it look like really fierce. Shaping the cheese now, and I'm just pressing some tiny holes for that, gritty texture. Adding a little nose in the center and poking in the nostrils. Now for the eyes, I want this to feel a bit wild and magical. Adding black pupils for extra expressions and a couple of black strips for detail. I am putting some clear eyelashes above the eyes. Honestly, that just makes the eyes look so much more alive. Let's make the ears. I want something totally different, so I'm joining two pieces of clay together like this, bending them inward and pressing them down. Then attaching them to both sides of the head. Now, bending them upward. Yeah, that looks pretty cool, right? Head is finished. Moving on to the body, just shaping the basic, main form, then attaching the head. Just refining a few small details. Now for the front legs, shaping them like this, attaching them to the body. Then adding the feet and the claws, looking sharp, right? Next up, back legs. I'm using red clay for this part because I want it to look super powerful. Once the back legs are on, it can actually stand steady. Definitely cannot forget the claws. Now for the tail, I'm running a thin wire through the clay, then rolling it. Adding another piece of clay and snipping it into a little flower shape. Just adding a bit more clay to shape it out. Attaching it to the back and giving it a nice natural curve. Time for my favorite part, the fur. Starting with the fur around the head. I'm just adding layer after layer, just like this, until the whole head is covered with fur. Now, adding fur all around the back. Just little clay pieces, one by one. And snipping with scissors to create the awesome texture. More fur and some cool patterns on the legs. This part really changes the whole look. Feel free to add whatever patterns you want on the back too.